Okay, those are all monomials. So polynomials is going to be the sum or difference of many monomials, okay? The highest exponent of your polynomial is called the degree. In standard form, you write degrees high to low. All right, that's standard form, high to low, okay? If we have polynomials to a certain degree, we can classify them. Go ahead and let's not worry about classifying by degree, okay? It would be like x to the first makes a line, linear. X to the second makes a quadratic. Then you have a cubic, so on and so forth. Okay, don't really worry about that. But number of terms, that's going to be used a lot in class, so let's do those. If I have 1, that's monomial. That's what we were talking about on the other page. Just 1 term. All right, 2 terms, 2 binomial. 3 terms, trinomial. Okay, and those are all the special words. So anything 4 terms or above, we just still call a polynomial. Okay? So for 9, 10, 11, 12, let's just do 9 and 11. We're going to simplify by combining like terms, okay? Then write your answer in standard form, which is high to low, and we'll classify it by number of terms. Okay, so 9, if you notice there is a plus sign between the 2 groups of trinomials, so if I were to distribute the plus, obviously it wouldn't change anything. So let's go ahead and just group our like terms and combine them. Alright, so first terms, b squareds, those go together. B squared plus 8b squared is 9b squared. Okay? Next, we have just b's. Remember, b's and b squareds do not go together. They are different terms. So 5 minus 2 gives me 3b's, so we're going to put plus 3b because it's positive. And then numbers negative 11 minus 7 is minus 18. Okay, and that was just completely out of habit, but we already wrote in standard form. So one easy thing to do is while you're simplifying, simplify in standard form. So start with the highest exponent, simplify those first, and then lower, so on and so forth. Okay, so if we classify this, this would be a trinomial. There are 3 terms, and terms are separated by pluses or minuses. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for 11, just don't forget when you have a negative, you have to distribute it to everything. So I'm going to rewrite that second group as negative y plus 3y to the third minus 4y squared. Okay, the front set of polynomials does not change. Okay, so let's practice what I was saying above and start simplifying in standard form already. Okay, so the highest exponent I see is y to the third. So let's simplify those first. I have a positive y to the third plus 3y to the third. That's 4y to the third. Alright, so let's go to the second highest. That would be y squared. Second highest degree. So negative 3y squared minus 4y squared gives me negative 7y squared. Okay, and then what's next? That would be the y. Okay, and that's the only y term. So we just have minus y, nothing to combine. And then lastly, we have the negative 2. So if colors or crossing things out helps you, do so as you combine. Alright, and so if we classify this, it would be 4 terms. That is just called a polynomial. Okay? Alright, so, multiplying polynomials here, okay? Let's just go ahead and pause there, and we're going to pick that up on the next lesson. So go ahead and put a big X, and then actually that will help me tell who watched this video. And do not worry about the bottom part of these notes.